Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I'll be reading a quote from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy, and you can find his work at DannyGSThoughtForToday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Focus on the mental pattern. One of the biggest challenges to being an addict is looking for an escape to numb the pain. Instead of taking a medicine to heal, you revert to street drugs, which only perpetuates the problem or makes it worse. Your healing should come from within, not through a chemical. The drug only distracts you from your problem, and then you feel the need to continually distract yourself, and you never deal with the problem to begin with. Focus on the mental pattern that created this dependency, and distract yourself with an activity that would be beneficial for your overall well-being. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. Another amazing quote by Danny G. And I know you're all enjoying these, so we're going to keep continuing to do these every Monday at 6 p.m. It'll be either a quote or an article from Danny G. Again, with all the love in the world, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.